Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your TikTok video. So first and foremost, you need to update your TikTok app on Google Play Store. And once you've done, tap and open this application. Now right here, as you can see, the homepage of TikTok app. Now I want you to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll find this profile page. Now, if you want to see who viewed your TikTok video, all you need to do is just turn on your profile view. So to do that, you need to tap that footstep icon at the top right of your screen beside the three lines. And when you tap on that footstep icon right there, you will find this on your screen. Turn on profile view history. So as you can see, it says other people can see that you viewed their profiles in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile. Only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. Then you just tap this turn on. And then here you will see profile view history will appear here. So you will see here who viewed your TikTok video. And also, because you are turned on your profile view, they will also see you when you view their profile. So that's how you basically see who viewed your TikTok video. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.